Alrighty, like y'all seen from the title and thumbnail, we got the new Mavic Pro 3. Let's open this bad boy up, let's take a look at it. So, you know, y'all stay tuned on the channel. You know what happened to my last drone. I'll pop up a clip.
Let's go! We found it!
So we had to replace it. So we decided to go and get something that's way better video quality. This one has zoom and all the above. So let's check it out. We're about to take it up, enjoy the Oklahoma sunset, and let's see what this drone is capable of. It has 3 different zooming modes and it can zoom a long way. I kind of played around with it at Freedom Weekend. So hey, but this is my honest review of it. Let's open it up and let's get this thing flying. Already a good carrying case for it, and you can see on the camera, let's see, you can see that it has 3 different cameras, very like zooming and all the above. I got a whole bunch of different lenses for it. They're in the box. I got a whole bunch of different lenses for it, and they're all capable of doing so many different things, so many different zooms and all the above. So take a look at this guy. This thing is double the size of my last one, and that's the first thing I noticed. I'm like, this thing is like flying a Black Hawk helicopter around compared to my last drone. But hey, bigger's better is what they say. So let's open this guy up. So what I noticed, the battery life already on this drone is a lot better than my last one. So here's the battery. They're a lot heavier, way better than my last one. So you're definitely getting your money's worth in your batteries alone. So this right here, we got a full battery, slips right in here. So it clicks, just like that. And we're gonna hit this button, hold it down. Oh yeah. The drone just got calibrated and now it is ready to fly. So another perk of buying this drone, another thing I really hated about my last drone is I always had to go and constantly put my phone on the remote, and that was a pain in the butt. I always had to go and set my phone and glue it to the top of the remote, and it was just a pain in the rear. Constantly have to take my phone case off and all the above. So we decided, with spending a little bit extra money on the drone, number one, you get a way better video quality, you get a bigger drone, and one of the perks is you get a screen in your remote. This right here is a lot better than having your phone on it. And yeah, it's about the size of my phone, but way better, really easy to use, and all the above, just way freaking better. Getting this bad boy turned on. I went and put the joysticks on. They just stick to the back. Luckily they came with an extra set of joysticks, just in case if I lose these ones. And that lets us know we're doing something. That lets us know that our remote just paired to our drone. Alrighty, looky there. Now you can see exactly what our drone is seeing. Let's send this thing up and let's go enjoy this Oklahoma sunset. Alright, here we go. Wow, look at that sunset. That is beautiful. Turn around, take a look back at the homestead. go look for the cows. Let's see what we can find for these cows. See if we can find them. There they are. There's the cows. There's a donkey. Someone's lighting off fireworks. So this is 3x zoom right now. Okay. Let's up it up. This is 7x zoom. 14x. And 28x zoom on our drone. You can see all of the lights in the distance, schools, businesses, all of the above. Let's see if we can find downtown Tulsa. There's ORU right there. That's ORU. Scoot over a little bit. Look at that. That's downtown Tulsa. That's 7x right there. 14x and 28x. You can see downtown Tulsa from our house. With the drone and all. With the drone and everything, that is insane with the zoom. That is crazy. Let's see if we can go find some deer. So, with the zooming on this drone, it allows me to go and zoom in on our clearing a lot better, and allows me to be able to see deer better. So I'm gonna start at the very edge of our property line on the clearing, and I'm gonna follow it all the way to our other side. And let's see if we can't find any whitetail deer. Right there, look there, there's deer. There's deer right there. I'm gonna put it on 7 zoom. And look at these. And get some shots of her. That is so cool. I can zoom in on the deer. Alright, that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. We enjoy this new Mavic Pro 3. It's a great drone. Highly recommend. Stay tuned for more videos with using it. There's gonna be some bangers, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.